What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Nafta.
Yeah, they tryna be crack. Yeah, she wanna be cutty. That bitch is a Barbie. I'm a fucking house.
What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Nafta. Back at it again with another video. Today, guys, I am back with another reaction video for you guys, man. Today, Youngboy, NBA Youngboy, man, he dropped a song called Four Sons of a King, because you know how he has 4 kids, but yeah, we're getting to the explanation later. I didn't do a reaction video in like a couple months, so I'm happy to do that. And without further ado, no questions asked, let's get right into the video. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to toss in the headphones, because, you know, I want to hear every single lyric that NBA Youngboy says, like, the meaning, everything, just everything that NBA Youngboy has to say, you know. And if you guys know me, when I do my reaction videos, I don't pause, I just talk through them all. So, yeah, let's get right into it.
This Philly King, my firstborn. You made a nigga strong, you the one. This Philly Taylor, my second baby, my wildest say
The song's kind of sad, but it's cool.
K3, everything bottom 11, like that little nigga just like me. Wear his headband like his cousin. I just seen you on
IG.
Forever I got you, forever I know
Got me.
you got me. Just talk to Casey through an iPhone.
He said I could have cried.
I knew that look up in your eyes. Talk to moms up in so long. Some shit ain't
It's crazy, bro.
just gotta keep my head high. Just look backstage with a bag full of cash. Diamonds in the sex. I'm really nigga, I ain't stunning. I've been seeming not to try when I rap.
He made this song in jail, guys. Like, he's still, yeah, NBA Boy's still locked up. He said heavy metal. Ooh. Like, I just like the vibe that NBA Youngboy had, you know? It's so nice. Get the spark in. Boom! Through an iPhone, I could cry. Look up in your eyes. Gotta keep your head high, always. Always remember that, guys. If you're feeling down, come on, man. Just never give up. He said, I'm trying to put that 30 in somebody. Don't do that, NBA Youngboy. Bro. NBA Youngboy just went crazy. Like, 1 through 10, I'll give that a 8. Bro, nah, not even. I'll give it an 11, bro. Alright, man, we're gonna listen to this song again. It was like 2 minutes and 8 seconds. Like, some of NBA Youngboy's songs are kind of like short, you know. We're gonna listen to it again. Like, he said, I talked to K3 through or Kamari or something through an iPhone. He was talking about his son. Like, I forgot the other son's name. But yeah, that song valid. Alright, second time. Let's get it. You the one.
This Philly Taylor, my second baby, my wildest say before it's done, I promise we'll have a fun. Everything bottom 11, man, that little nigga just like me. Wear his headband like his cousin. I just seen you on IG. Forever I got you, forever I know
you got me. Just talk to Casey through an iPhone. I could've cried. I'm gonna look up in your eyes. It's so long. That's crazy. He didn't talk to his mom in so long. Put some 30 in somebody. Somebody, oh, better, oh. Bro, I'm getting sort to like memorize that song quickly. He said, boo boo. I would say NBA Youngboy is probably my second favorite rapper. My first one would be like little Tekka maybe. Through an iPhone, I could cry. I see you look up in your eyes. That's crazy, bro. He has 4 sons. He didn't see him in a while. It's crazy. Alright. Well, Youngboy just went crazy. He went crazy. Okay. You guys saw him in his picture. He threw up something like this or something. I think it means king or something. I don't know. I mean, because he's the king of rapping. I mean, I don't know. Youngboy is only 19. He has a lot of talent. And I would say, like I said earlier, 1 through 10, I would give this like an 11. Like, I think I'm going to just keep vibing to this song, keep listening to it. And yeah. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you're new, man. If you love your mom, man, subscribe. Just subscribe. Subscribe to me, man. Oh yeah, and also, where is it at? I just got me some new shoes, new cop, and I'm about to do a sneaker collection soon, so be ready for that. And yeah, I'm out.
I was stepping on the pedal, and Balenciaga runners. Hey, these phones keep on ringing. Yeah, people